This is Allstate Roadside Service Guide for the 2020 Chevrolet Corvette. Be advised, this vehicle is a low clearance vehicle with 3-inch clearance on the front and 5 inches in the rear. Ramps and cribbing are advisable to have on hand when transporting this vehicle. When transporting this low clearance vehicle, you are required to conduct a vehicle condition report with the customer prior to loading. You are also required to conduct a vehicle condition report at the dealership once you have unloaded the vehicle. General Motors requires this vehicle to be a flatbed transport with an 8-point tie-down as a securement method. This vehicle is equipped with electronic transmission range select system. The engine must be running in order to shift the vehicle into neutral. If you cannot start the engine, you must utilize skates while loading the car. There are 2 manufacturer-approved attachment points. One is the transport slots under the rocker panels, and the second is the toe pin attachment. Keep in mind, the toe pin is only optional with the vehicle. This means not all vehicles will have a toe pin available to the operator who is transporting the vehicle. Wheel lift and dolly can be utilized to transport out of limited access areas that are inaccessible by flatbed. This is only to move to a flatbed for final transport. If you're using a toe pin as an attachment point, the toe pin cover is located on the passenger side frame rail. Use a non-marking tool to remove the cover and store the cover inside the vehicle. Thread the toe pin tight and use a tool to confirm it's tight to the frame rail. Use a lead strap to mitigate any damage to the bumper and a catch strap in the event of a toe pin failure. For jumpstart service, this vehicle's jump points are located in the front trunk area under the cover of the windshield. Auto trunk release button is located on the driver's side door. The manual trunk release is located under the dash above the foot pedal. Pull the loop 2 times, once to unlock, the second time to release the hood. To remove the battery cover, you first need to remove the side flanges by gently pulling the snap clips to release. Use care to ensure the clips do not scratch the paint while removing. You will then be able to place the side flanges in the lower trunk compartment. Then you'll be able to remove the battery cover and have access to the jump points. Be sure to attach the positive cable first and then the negative. Once the charge is complete, remove the negative cable first and then the positive cable. The Valet Key slot is located inside the air intake area above and behind the driver door handle. Remove the Valet Key from the key fob and insert it into the key slot. You may also use the Valet Key to access the trunk manually. To access the trunk Valet Key slot, you will need to remove the license plate to have access to the key slot. For fuel delivery, be aware that this vehicle has a capless fuel system that requires the use of a capless fuel funnel. Fuel funnel is located in the glove compartment. When the fuel delivery is complete, be sure to wipe off the funnel or place it into a bag to prevent gas odors or leakage inside the vehicle. For lockout service, be aware that the windows on this vehicle are frameless and that only experienced professionals should attempt this procedure. This vehicle is equipped with run-flat tires that can go up to 50 miles and at 50 miles per hour without air pressure. To the nearest tire repair facility.